Moving house requires planning for hazardous waste, so you do not end up transporting materials that are illegal or dangerous to move. Start by doing a room-by-room inventory of anything flammable, corrosive, reactive, or toxic, and list quantities and containers so you can describe them accurately when you call for disposal. Contact your municipality to learn the dates and rules for hazardous waste, drop-off events, and learn what materials they accept because policies vary and some items need special handling. Separate batteries, fluorescent tubes, and electronics from general trash, and store them upright in labeled non-leaking containers to prevent spills and short circuits during transport. For appliances that contain refrigerants or oil, contact your utility company or a certified appliance hauler to schedule pickup and ensure proper refrigerant recovery to meet legal requirements. For paint, pesticides, and solvents, follow label instructions for disposal and allow leftover paint to dry in its original can with the lid off, if allowed by local rules, before dropping it off, or use an approved paint recycling program. If you have large volumes of hazardous liquids or industrial wastes, hire a certified hazardous waste hauler and get a written manifest or receipt that documents chain of custody and the disposal facility. People often mix incompatible chemicals into one box because they want to save space, which can cause leaks or fires. So keep acids, bases, and oxidizers separated and do not consolidate unknown liquids together. Another common mistake is assuming electronics and batteries can go in curbside recycling. So verify accepted items with both your trash hauler and municipal programs and hold those items back for special collection. A third issue is ignoring appliance refrigerant recovery rules and attempting to move or sell a fridge without certified servicing. So schedule professional recovery or pickup ahead of moving day to avoid fines and environmental harm. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and resources around tasks like safe, hazardous waste disposal, and moving preparations. Our community discussion boards let us share local event schedules, contractor experiences, and practical tips so we can all move more safely and responsibly.